5000 mAh battery. A battery that goes from 0 to 100 in just 15 minutes. A camera performance that you cannot ignore. A powerful processor to cater to all your gaming needs. And you can get all of this in under 50,000 rupees. I am talking about iQOO 12, the latest flagship edition by iQOO. So now without wasting any time, let's get inside the video and know more about the specs of this power beast. You tech geeks and mobile enthusiasts, buckle up because we're diving deep into the iQOO 12, a phone that's redefining flagship power. This beast packs a punch, and in this video, we'll crack open its specs and see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, the iQOO 12 stuns with its premium looks. It's a head-turner with a glass and metal sandwich build that feels as luxurious as it looks. But it's not just a pretty face. The 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display is a visual feast with a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. Scrolling feels like gliding on silk, and movies come alive with stunning colors and deep blacks. Under the hood, the iQOO 12 isn't messing around. It's fueled by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a monster that tackles demanding tasks with ease, whether you're crushing the latest games, editing pro-level videos, or multitasking like a boss. The iQOO 12 handles it all without breaking a sweat. And with up to 16 GB of RAM, you can keep a million tabs open and never experience lag. The iQOO 12 doesn't disappoint in the camera department either. It boasts a triple lens rear setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 64-megapixel telephoto lens for stunning zoom shots, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing epic landscapes. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just love capturing life's moments, the iQOO 12's camera will have you snapping insta-worthy pics all day long. Forget battery anxiety. The iQOO 12 packs a massive 5000 mAh battery that keeps you going all day long and well into the night. But that's not all. This beast supports 120-watt wired charging, meaning you can go from 0 to 100 in just 15 minutes. So is the iQOO 12 the ultimate flagship phone? It's definitely a contender. It's got the power, the display, the camera, and the battery life to compete with the best. But at the end of the day, the choice depends on your needs and budget. If you're a power user who demands the best, the iQOO 12 is definitely worth considering. Just be prepared to turn some heads with its stunning design and raw performance. That's all for the iQOO 12. If you're looking for a phone that pushes the boundaries, this beast might be a perfect match. Smash that like button if you're digging the iQOO 12, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech goodness. And hey, let me know in the comments what you think of this flagship contender. Peace out.